Our new solar lights combine the benefits of energy-efficient LED lighting with solar technology for an all-in-one package. This light is easy to set up since it doesn't need to connect to main power or a generator, making it a stress-free option for temporary lighting in applications like construction zones. The highly efficient mono-crystalline solar panel needs just 8 hours of sunlight to yield 3 to 4 days of light throughout rainy or cloudy days when less sunlight is available. These high-lumen solar lights are a great replacement for HIDs and higher-wattage LEDs in many outdoor applications. Here's a few examples. Construction zones. With the layouts constantly changing, the quick and easy installation of this light makes it a great option on the go. Parking lots. Avoid expensive trenching and landscaping to run power to your lights. Just go solar instead. Walkways. Keep trails and pathways feeling safely lit with energy-saving, motion-sensing solar lights. And many other locations where you want all the light and none of the hassle. Reach out today to reduce your carbon footprint and your electricity bill.